So folks, today you learn how to use ChatGPT, or better, OpenAI has come. And so first of all, what you need to do is to install OpenAI on your node environment. And to do that, it's really simple. Just go there and do npm I OpenAI, and that's it. In my case, I use Docker, so I have already done that, so I'm not doing that again. But first of all, you have done that already, but now you also need to go in and have the limits, because if you have started your account on OpenAI for 1 month or so, you have a free trial. But in my case, I don't have, so I put like $5 in here, and that's it, $5, and that's it. And now, if you go to docs, you can see that there are a lot of modes you can use, but in our case today we are going to be translating a JSON to a JSON. So to do that, we need a language. We don't need that in here. Here we need to language from, and then just use. I'm going to be using English, and we are going to be using to PTBR because I'm from Brazil, okay? And the content is going to be something like, just let me see in here, like this. So we are going in here, and there we have it. So what we are going to be translating in our case is like this category, okay? So yes, yes, we are going to be using it. And now we also can say something in here that we want, like user description, so the user always says that he wants to have done here. So I want to translate the description category, and but keep the alias into same language. Keep the alias tags in same language. So now we also have a user description, so the user can say whatever he wants. But now we need to say Copilot ChatGPT that we want that he knows that. So we are the system in here, and we just say that you are receiving a JSON object. A JSON is stringfied object act with, let's say, 1 2 3 4 4 4 4 4 with 4 comments first, and then now just go in here, and we can say that the two first are from and to third series language codes, and here we have it. The third, fourth, okay, it's content. That is JSON object. No, it's a string. I'm so sorry. No, it's a JSON object to be translated. The fourth comment is user description where the user can, sometimes he is going to ask to keep a key And here we have it. But now we gotta to get to request. So user request. So now we just hack dot. And so if you go in our console, we can see that, whoa, we have everything we needed in here. So now what we need to do is just go and json dot stringify dot rec dot body, and here we go. And so here we just have our user, because yes, we have him. And so there we have it. And now that's basically it. It's really simple to use Chat GPT, OpenAI completions, and what we can go and have in here. And here we have it in Portuguese, and that's it, my boys. That's exactly it. And what happens? And now we can see that we didn't work clear enough because we did not what it was supposed to do. So we did something wrong. And what we did wrong here? Let's just go and see it. It's content, that's JSON object with text to be translated. So I think that in here I want to translate description and category. Now we can just see that it's going to work just fine. And it's almost fine, you see. You only can return to never return. And one thing I almost forgotten, we almost forgot that we need to do this, we really need to do just say to response format. And so now we need, if you go here you just see that invalid parameter. So we need to use this model GPT 0125, and this is going to probably work just fine. We have it here, and now it's saying exactly what we want to do. And you see, now if you want to do something more advanced, you can easily just pass here just a lot of content, and what's going to happen? It's going to translate all of them. And if you want to create this in an UI, UX, you just might. And there you just can even sell it. And some people might buy your simple AI assistant. So now if you go in here, just you see if you, whoa, solving possible problems. That's really nice. Just go and stringify it, and so just JSON dot parse string, and we have our content in here. And if I think that we just don't use any user description in here, it's going to be even better, because the user always does something wrong. And here we go, we have our emoji, and here we go our string, and what we're going to have in here is always JSON parse string, and here you have it, just as we expected. So if you can learn something from here is if you want to translate something, just translate everything. Otherwise, ChatGPT is not going to work just fine. At least in this simpler version. If you use ChatGPT 4, it's probably going to be better. But you see, you can just do whatever you want with this API. And I think it's really great, you know. So if you listen to this point, probably you like this content. So don't forget to leave a beautiful thumbs up and subscribe to this Homo channel, the Homo's channel on YouTube. Thank you all for following me.